Hi friends, today I am with a new smartwatch and this is by Crossbeats. The model name is Nexus and as you can see, Sky is its brand ambassador Surya Kumar Yadav. Now talking about the model, it comes in the silver and the black color and we got the silver color. It also has dynamic island, ChatGPT, some of the features what you get inside it. The best part is that it is compatible with both Android and iOS ecosystem. The iOS should be iOS 10 or above, and the Android version should be Android 5.1 or above. The app which will be make it compatible is known as MacActive Pro, and I will show you the app also. These are some of the paperwork. Just keep the paperwork because one of the paperwork is useful to extend your 6 months of warranty. These are the straps which comes inside the box. This is a wireless charger. It is not the similar pogo pin charger which we used to see. Also we are getting an case which is included in the box. You don't have to pay extra, and definitely this is a good thinking by the brand because sometimes if you want a case you will not find it online. This is the dial and it comes very premium. This is a silver color which I have already told you, and it has two buttons on the right side, and I will just peel off the plastic from it and show you. It feels little bit heavy. It weighs around 50 grams and it comes with the IP rating which is IP67 water resistant. It also have a screen guard already, and which I will definitely peel it off. And there are two buttons which you can see. One is the crown button and another is below that. Overall the dial feels pretty premium. Installing the strap is very easy. You have to just slide it inside it and you can see it fits very easily. I will also recommend you to peel off this plastic because all the sensors are behind this, and it looks pretty much premium. How to switch it on? You just have to put on the charger, it will start charging. It is a completely wireless charger. You don't have to plug it inside it what we used to have it. Now if you want to remove, you have to press it from the back and the strap comes out. And if you want to install the case, it is also very easy. This is how you can install the case. So I'm just giving you a proper look how you can install the case also, and even after that the strap installs very easily with this smartwatch. So this is how you can make it fit, and it also looks pretty much premium. After installing the case, it doesn't look pretty much bulky and it is looks very much normal. Now talking about the display, it comes with the 2.1-inch AMOLED display. It has a 700 nits of brightness. The resolution in this smartwatch is 320 into 384, so it comes with a good pixel resolution, and it also has a always on display which is very less to find in this kind of smartwatches. So it comes with a very good price which I will definitely let you know. It also has a Bluetooth version 5.3. It comes with some of the sensors like heart rate sensor, accelerometer, SpO2. It also comes with the multiple monitoring activity, female health tracking, voice assistant, bedside clock. So these are some of the features. It comes with the battery of 250 mAh. It takes from 0 to 100% charging time 60 minutes. It can run up to 6 days normally, and the company is claiming that in the standby it can go up to 15 to 20 days, but also it depends on the usage. Now the app is Mac Active. You can see Mac Active Pro. It is available for Android and also iOS, so you can go and check that out. The app interface is very simple. It will ask for few permissions. I will definitely recommend you guys to go through that and give it the permission. It will ask you to check out the call log, for give you the Bluetooth calling. It will ask you to put some of the your email ID, also the password, so that it can create an account. And it has few things which definitely I will discuss later on. First you need to pair it. For pairing you need to switch on the Bluetooth on your phone, and here you can see the Ignite Nexus is present. It will take few seconds to connect. Once it is connected, it will show the pairing is being done. So once the pairing is done, you can install the watch faces. There are many watch faces. It is more than 100 plus watch faces, and even you can customize the watch face too. I will install just one watch face to show you how to install it. I will not go through that. Even I like the cartoon ones, so let me show you how many cartoon ones are present. It has plenty of watch faces. Even it is loading. For installing the watch faces, you need a proper internet connection so that it can install. It take some time for installation. Even that you can see synchronization is showing on your watch, and it is done. So the watch face is installed. This is how you can install the watch face from your app on your smartwatch. So there are plenty of watch faces which you can go through, you can install, even you can create your own watch faces also. Now going through the app a little bit, now I will show you. You can also install few of the gaming apps, even the message notification. For that you have to give the permission. There is Mac Active Pro, you have to give the notification access so that you can get the notifications of other apps. Now the message notification is there. Which apps you want to get the notification, you have to switch it on, like call notice, SMS notice, even your X, which earlier was Twitter, and Facebook, WhatsApp, even other apps which you need to get the notification, all can be switched on from here, even Messenger. So here you can see Facebook. So most of the apps it automatically selects, but you can manually select or deselect which app notification you don't want or you want on your smartwatch. Even a health reminder, you have drinking water reminder, which is definitely good sign. Even sedentary reminder, medication reminder, these are the few things in the health reminder. You also get automatic heart rate detection. I will definitely recommend you guys to switch it on. This is how you can find the watch. Even in the watch you can find your phone, so that is vice versa, you can do that. Even you can remotely click pictures through the smartwatch and it will show the message that the picture has been taken. You can set the alarms. Even you have race to wake, so your smartwatch will wake, and you can set the timer for that. Weather push is the weather, it will synchronize from your device internet. My card is basically for sending a proper contact card. Even you have frequent contacts to call, it comes with the NFC, so you can do the payment also through this smartwatch. There is ebook reader, you can install the ebooks like Kindle and other apps through. You can also have the music control, it gives you a complete remotely music control. You can do voice recording. There is theme background, you can change that music background and menu background theme, whichever you like, you can install that too. So that is a good thing, it gives you complete customization on your smartwatch and also on your app. Now there is one more thing, which is a firmware upgrade. If there is a new firmware upgrade, please upgrade that, because it gives you more security and maybe some new added or additional features will be coming through that. And even if you have any album sync, it will do that. So these are the few things what you are getting in the settings of the device, which is definitely, I do think that it is important. In the My, you will see the profile, the achievements. These are the goals what you have in cycling, walking. You can finish those goals. These goals actually give you motivation to complete more and more tasks. In the permission settings, you can give the permission for battery optimization setting to background running app. You can give the permission for that. What are the permissions it need, you can check that out also manually. So these are the permission settings. Even in the settings, it gives you the temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit, time unit 12 hour or 24 hour, and also metric system or other. So these are the few things in the settings. And now there is a sport, which is hiking, cycling, which can be seen in the map. And you can also change the theme to the different colors like red, blue, green. And it also has sleep, SpO2, ECG, BP, which I will give you a detail later on. Now let's check out the smartwatch. First you press the crown, here is your watch face, and then there is the activity list. The first one is the history record, and there are more than 100 plus sports which you can record all the things. So definitely I will recommend you guys, if you're a sports person, this will be helpful thing. This is a heart rate monitor. This is all the activity what you have done. This will be act as a remotely for your music player, weather, and there is a calculator also. So I will just show you calculator how it works, and you can see it is working completely fine. So this is the calculator, and after that there is a sleep monitor, and later on last you can also add widgets. If you want to remove any widget or move any widget to up, you can do that. Currently I switched off the sleep one. The sleep widget is not being seen. So this is by swiping on the left and right, And if you swipe, there is a split screen. It has few more menus. First is the QR code to connect, and the second is the voice assistant. This is basically through internet. It also shows you weather, the voice control, and in the split screen there is also sleep monitor which you can quickly check. Even there is a calculator, and lastly there is a weather monitor. So these are the 4 5 things which are given. If you swipe from the bottom, you can see the time and date, all the activities record, sleep record, your BP register, your all the activity sports what you have done, weather, calculator, music, and later on there is all apps. If you swipe completely at top, you can see all the apps which includes the GPS positioning. The next one is the sports activity, then there is a stop clock. You can also see this is for the notifications, all the activity monitor, music control. There is a call log. In this you can go see call records, contacts. You can dial directly from your smartwatch. It has a dial pad, even SOS. If you have any contact added, you can go to that. Even you can also see it goes directly to the watch if you press the clock. If you want to install any games, I have showed you already how you can install the games. There is also breath taking monitor, timer, weather. With that you have the blood pressure monitor. Be little patient to record the blood pressure. And after that you can also see there is BPM register also. You can go and check the BPM, the sleep count, the calculator, the alarm which you can change from your mobile also, and smartwatch, the camera which can work remotely, even all the my card. You can do the NFC payment. My card is basically for the contact card, and this is how you can do the payment. If you have any installed app, you can find your phone just pressing that. This is the torch, and after that there is also massage. This is basically the vibration which happens on the smartwatch. So if you are tired and you want a massage with your smartwatch, you can just switch it on. There is also style, which is with different types, different themes, and the styles are basically 6 or 7 times which you will get in a different form factor, where all the apps will be organized in a different way. Here you can see each apps are organized with a different way. Some are like a circle in the circular, some are in the square, and there are 4 apps in the middle. So there are different kinds of style. You can play it around and customize. So after that there is also breathe, which I was trying to show you but I didn't find it. Now I put this to style 1, which was the easiest one. Then there is a voice control also present. This basically needs internet, the voice recorder. If you record anything, it will store on your smartphone. There is women wellness also, you can check that out. There is also pressure monitor. It will take some time to record the pressure. And even you have the access of the app store, where you have the pressure, compass, altitude. This is for the altitude. This is for the compass, you have recalibrated. And this is for the pressure. This is in the app store. You have the ebook reader. You go to the settings where you have the notifications. If in the notification it will light up or vibrate, there are 2 options. For the universal, it will be about languages, connect your phone, restore to factory settings, reboot, reset. And also there is DND, do not disturb on the smartphone or do not disturb on the smartwatch. Brightness can be increased. It comes with the 700 nits of brightness. Raise to wake up. So if you move your wrist, it will raise. And even always on is a good thing, because you can see your time once it goes dim. So that is a good thing. And it comes with the AMOLED display. This is a dynamic island. It is basically for the notification. Let me show you the dynamic island first. So for that I have to change the watch face. So if you have a watch face which is black, you can't see the dynamic island. This is a highlight feature which the company is claiming. This is just to check out the notification. It looks pretty much cool, or maybe a little new age thing. And after that, the brightness, you have the dynamic island, and also there is this screen time which you can go up to 60 seconds. So the screen out will be after 60 seconds maximum, and the minimum is 5 seconds, which is a good thing. So this is all in the brightness. Now there is a gesture control. for flip to mute, to pick up your call or to answer, or for alarm also. So there are three gestures which you can check it out, and I will definitely recommend you guys to go through all this to know your smartwatch very well. So this is in the gesture control. Then there is style, which I have already shown you. There are 6 styles of style. You have sound, call sound, and media sound, multimedia sound. Even the ringtone, you can change that. So there is a separate ringtone which will buzz from your smartwatch. It has a password also. If you want to switch it into password, you can have that. There is key definition, which I am not going through that. There is power saving mode also. You can switch it on if you have a low battery. The bedside lamp, you can have switch it on if you want, and there is also auto sync which will sync with your smartwatch. So this is mostly all the apps done. And one more highlight feature, it has a ChatGPT. For ChatGPT to work, it needs a proper internet connection with a good speed. I tried few times, but it didn't go the way I thought it should. But I do think that you guys can try it out and let me know in the comment section how is the ChatGPT working on your smartwatch. Talking about the smartwatch price, it is initial pricing is 4,999, which is around 5,000. It is extremely a good price because it gives you a lot features packed inside this smartwatch. It also has a Bluetooth calling. You can pick the call. Currently I am disconnecting, but I am just showing you how the interface of the Bluetooth calling works. So it is also easy for that, and once it is done, you can play it around. And if you press one time the second button, you will have few settings including DND, unpair, and also find your phone, battery percentage, theater mode. If you are sitting in a theater, it will only buzz. If you came across to the water, if by rain or swimming, then you can just self drain the water out. There is styles, few features, even the brightness it can be controlled, and also the torch settings. And lastly, there is also compatible with the ID card, which I have already told you. So this is a good thing. If you have any card, you can just do the NFC for that. Even if you want to add few more things in this quick setting, you can do that too. So just thus pressing a small tap. If you are pressed for a longer time, you can go power off, or you can also reboot. So this is the function of the second button, which is in the bottom. And now let's check out the crown one. So small press will take you directly to the apps. If you do the longer press, this is for the voice control. You will get 6 months of warranty after purchasing it, and also a card to extend your 6 months of more warranty by just doing the product registration. Overall, this is a good smartwatch and definitely easy to use. I have shown you all the features what are present. Lastly, I would like to show you all the apps, all the recordings what you have done, the SpO2 monitor, the sleep, every count is present inside your app. So it syncs immediately, even your BP monitor, heart rate, and calorie. So these are all the features what you are getting inside this smartwatch. This is all about Crossbeats Ignite Nexus, which is one of the largest display currently on a smartwatch with a budget segment price. It is priced for 4,999, and it is available on official website of Crossbeats. This is all about Nexus Smartwatch. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.